You know, and the best part is about this is 2-in-1. It's a and is, you know, it does both. Okay, so you see what I just got on the mail. And actually, I have a PC setup and I wanted something to dust off all that dust. Sometimes I'll be traveling and everything, and you know, it gets dusty after a while. So let's open it up and let's see what's up. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. Obviously, it has this little manual. You know, obviously, we don't read those. It has this little duffel bag, so if you want to take it somewhere, you know, and it brings out all these pieces. Let's put it together and let's see how it looks like. Obviously, it brings this charger because, you know, without this, we can't recharge it. So look at this. I set it up as a duster. You hold it for 3 seconds. Ooh. It is crazy. It got 3 levels. I didn't even know. Look. That's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Look at that. Look how strong that is. And it brings all these different pieces. So if you want to clean anything or brush anything while dusting or while using the vacuum on it. So it's really amazing. I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. I'm going to leave that link right here below so you guys could go get yours.